Hi, let's talk about minor arcs using the picture that's on screen here, a circle with some random points on it. A minor arc, as the name would kind of tell you, is going to be something on the smaller side of things. It's minor, not major. We'll get to that in another video. Minor arcs are always going to be arcs that are less than half the circle. So less than 180 degrees, because a circle's 360, so half of a circle's 180, so less than half is less than 180. So a minor arc could be something like this, from B to C, just that part of the circle. We didn't go any further. We didn't go all the way around. We didn't go even more than halfway. If it's a minor arc, it's less than half. And so anytime we have a minor arc, such as this one, we can name it. And to name it, it's really simple. You name it by its endpoints. So this one has B and C as endpoints. So you could look at this and say, oh, it starts at B and ends at C, and you put the arc above that. Or you could look at it and say, nope, it starts at C and ends at B. Who cares? It's the same arc either way. And so that's all you have to do to name one of them. Now, let's suppose that instead of this one, we were looking at this one. You might be tempted to use more than 2 letters to name that one, but you don't have to, because if it's 2 letters, it's always the quickest way to get from one to the other. And so everybody would know not to go the long way, but rather to go the short way. And so one of the ends is D, one of the ends is F. We would call this either arc DF. Again, get the arc on top there, or eyebrow, as some students like to call it. Or reverse that, start at F, end at D, very same arc, no worries there. What you don't need is this E. You don't need to reference any points in between if it's a minor arc. Just the endpoints gets the job done. Okay, so don't worry if you're passing other points and ignoring them. It's okay. That's a minor arc, always less than 180, always named by the endpoints.